Alright, in this video we're going to write an equation in slope-intercept form that is parallel to the graph below and goes through the point 5, 1, and then we're going to graph it. Alright, so the first thing I kind of need to know is I've got to put it in point-slope form, or slope-intercept form. So that means I need to know a slope and I need a point of some kind. Alright, if you notice my equation, I have y equals x minus 8. Alright, and so this is really my y equals mx plus b. Now the first thing I want you to kind of know is we got to find our slope. Our slope is the number in front of x. If we look here, we don't have a number in front of x, but we know that there really is a 1 there, because if I asked you how many x's there were, you'd say 1x. So there's a 1 there, and it's positive. So my slope is going to be a positive 1. Alright, so now I'm going to use the point slope form, which is y minus y1, that's a little too light, we'll do dark, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Alright, this is my point, so this is my x and y, so we have to draw a line that's parallel to this but goes through that point. That's exactly what we want to do, and we got to find out what that equation is in slope-intercept form. So y equals mx plus b form. Alright, so we're going to plug in our numbers. So we got y minus 1 equals, my slope is 1. Now remember, we're wanting parallel. So when you have slopes that are parallel, that means they're going up and down at the same rate. So if one slope is 1, that means my other slope will be 1. If they're perpendicular, then it's the reciprocal and the opposite. So if I had a 1, alright, that's like saying 1 over 1, and then that's a positive, so then I would be changed to and I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put in like a red one here so you can see the difference. And so I'm going to change, if it was perpendicular, then it would be minus, you do the opposite, and then your red one would be on the top and your black one would be on the bottom. So when you have perpendicular, it's the opposite sign and you flip it. If it's parallel, then you use the exact same slope. You don't change anything. So in this case, we're just going to use the same slope, and our slope is 1, so our m value is going to be 1. And so then my x is going to be minus 5. All right, now I'm going to distribute 1 to both of these. And so when I do, I'm going to clean this up a little. Y minus 1 equals 1x minus 5. I'm going to get y by itself because we want it in that slope-intercept form, so I'm going to add 1 to both sides. Now when I do this, this becomes a 0 pair, so we got y equals x, because 1x is still x. And then minus 5 plus 1, that's like saying you borrowed $5 and then you pay me back 1, you still owe me $4. Alright, so we got to graph this. So we're going to put, and I'll put in red, I got to go to where negative 4 is on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 because that's the y-intercept right there. My slope is 1. It's positive. That means I go up 1 over 1, 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 up 1 over 1. And you can see that it does go through the point. And it's parallel to the other line. So this is my equation in slope-intercept form that is parallel to the graph below going through the point 5, 1.